What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl, Secrets, coming at you with another video. And please, before you get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and I hope you enjoy. If you're an oldie but goodie, what's up, family? What's happening? What's up? So, y'all, I just had to quickly come on here and show y'all that I came across two gems. Now, you know your girl loves shoes and purses, and y'all, I bought me some Crocs. Not the dupes, but actual Crocs. And y'all, they're the see-through jelly kind. Y'all, when I seen these, I had to purchase them. It took me back, like, way back in the day. I want to say, like, high school, middle school. No, more like middle school, elementary school. Remember back in the day, the jellies? They had the Melissas and the clear shoes, y'all. It's just so nostalgic for me. And I came across these because I was just looking at different type of Crocs. I'm like, maybe I want to invest in some Crocs because, you know, the dupes, they really don't give you much of a different selection. It's always just like a solid color. So I'm like, you know, just searching. Y'all, I came across these. They're clear. They're so cute. I haven't worn them yet because clearly it's winter time and I don't want to ruin them. And these are going to be for the summertime when I just want to put me on a cute little, you know, a little sundress or something. I don't want to wear no heels or anything. I just want to be very relaxed, you know, chilling. And y'all, you know your girl got big feet. So, you know, when I get my shoes, I get 11.5 in men's, especially in Nikes. And in female shoes, I'm like a 12.5, 13. So I purchased these in a size 13 because when I bought the dupes and the ones from Walmart, those were a size 12. They fit, but I just needed, you know, a little extra cushion. So when I read the reviews for these ones, they said to size up. So I sized up and got a 13 instead of the 12. So if you wear the same size shoe as me, a 13 will fit you perfect. You'll have enough room to wear like socks because y'all plan on wearing my crazy socks so you can see my sock game. But y'all, these are so cute, and I'm just going to get a closer look. So they're clear. These charms were sold separately. I want to say these were like $10.99. I'll definitely link these down below. And y'all, I just liked it. It was kind of basic. Right now I'm in the gold phase, so I purchased these in gold. And it's like an opal type of right there, type of charm or type of stone. And I thought they were so cute, and I had to get the pink ones, y'all, because y'all know last year when Miss Nicki Minaj went viral for wearing pink Crocs, y'all. And I'm like, let me get these before they be sold out, because y'all know last year they did sell out and you couldn't find a pink one in sight. And if you did, it was overpriced and expensive. So y'all, these are cute. Excuse my ashy hand, but I just want to show y'all. It's see-through, clear. They look sturdy. You know, Crocs are pretty sturdy if you don't, you know, be too hard on them. But y'all, this was just a quick video. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all, like, this is a gem. I didn't know nothing about this. I don't know if y'all knew nothing about this or whatever. You know, put a thumbs up if you know about it. Maybe I'm just always late to the party. But y'all, I thought these were so cute. And yes, they're Crocs, because y'all know I wear a good dupe, but I invested in some Crocs. And because y'all know if I would have been able to find a dupe, I would have bought a dupe. But it's not too bad. These were $39. The pink ones, I want to say during the time they were $44 with a % off. Now the prices are kind of going up, y'all. So that's why I am not sure why this is blurring out, y'all. But yeah, I had to come on here and show y'all so y'all can grab y'all a pair. So yeah, I will definitely see you guys on the next video. See ya.